So here we are demonstrating automatic room illumination control along with fan speed based on the human presence and light intensity inside a room. So here the main input modules are like LM35. This one is LM35 temperature sensor. We interface it to the A0 pin, and this one LDR sensor to the A1 pin interfaced, and this is the motion detection PIR. That is nothing but passive infrared sensor interfaced A4 pin of PIC 16F72 microcontroller, and this DC fan is interfaced C2 pin of this microcontroller, as it is a hardware PWM pin. So from that PWM pin only we can control the speed of this DC motor by generating the PWM signal with duty cycle varying based on the conditions. So here this bulb is a 230 volts operated, and this will drive by this electromagnetic relay, and which was interfaced at C7 pin of the microcontroller. So here the terms and for execution in this project are like whenever the human presence is detected, then the next condition is going to be the temperature and the light. So in order to control this light, the person should detect as well as the light intensity should be less, then only the bulb will get switched on. And coming to this fan, whenever the person detected and the temperature is above normal temperature, then fan speed will rotate with normal speed. When the temperature is heavy, then automatically the fan speed will be increased to high speed. So these are the conditions based on the person motion detection along with temperature and light intensity. So let's give the inputs to the sensors. So when we switch on this switch, so this is the power supply for the buzzer, and we need to provide the power supply. Sorry, this is a power supply for the load bulb, and is a main power supply, so which will give directly 5 volts regulated power supply from the 230 volts. And once we switch on this switch, so it's already on. As initially the PIR sensor will give the high signal, and then after the sensor got heat up, and after that it will give the proper output. So we need to give some time to settle the PIR sensor, and meanwhile we'll explain the motherboard. So here the main motherboard consists of these pins for program load into this microcontroller, and LED indication of power indication, and next so capacitor to provide the constant power supply. When we get the ripples also, that will be neutralized by this capacitor. And this one is a reset switch to restart the microcontroller, and this is the main crystal oscillator to provide the clock pulse to the microcontroller. And here the generated PWM signal given to this DC motor through the transistor, means on and off time varying by the duty cycle changes. So let us see the motion detection inputs. So just I'm rotating this. So right, when my motion detected, the fan rotates, and also light will be on. We need to cover that. So when the motion detected one, so if we stand in front of the sensor, the light will be on as well as the fan speed increase. So now we'll increase the temperature, and when the motion detected, if we increase the temperature, so when the temperature is above 40 degrees, so we can see that the motor speed is high now, and it's a normal temperature. If motion detected, now it's low speed. Now temperature has to be settled down below 40 degrees. Then automatically the motor speed will be settled down to the around half speed. Now it's already slow speed. Okay, right. Thank you.